If you have been craving warm, flaky cheddar baked biscuits, you're in the right place. Want to learn how to make this recipe? Watch this video and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. So these are some of the ingredients that I'll be using in this recipe, and the key ingredient here is Old Bay seasoning. This is a necessary ingredient to make these biscuits and take them to the next notch. Also, Parmesan cheese is just to give it that premium taste. So in the bowl I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Next, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Here's a pro tip. Make sure that you use cold or frozen butter for your batter. This way, the butter will melt as it bakes and create flaky layers for your biscuits. So I added some grated butter, and I'm just squeezing it into the flour mixture. That way it can be well incorporated. I also added 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Also, make sure that your milk is cold. Here I'm using buttermilk for best results. If you don't have buttermilk, you can just put in whole milk and add a tablespoon of white vinegar. I like to add fresh ingredients into my recipes, so I'm using 4 garlic cloves so it can add some extra flavor in there. So you want to make sure that you're folding your batter, and this is how thick you want it to be. I'm going to be using a lined baking tray here with some parchment paper, and we want to make sure that they're not close together on the tray. That way it doesn't stick together as it bakes. I'm using an ice cream scoop, so the biscuits can be around the same size, but you can also spoon it out with a regular spoon as well, so it can be uniform. So my oven was preheated to 425 degrees, and I'm going to be baking them for 15 minutes or until golden brown. You do want to keep an eye on this. While our biscuits bake, let's make the topping. So I'm going to melt some butter, add some garlic powder, some Old Bay seasoning, and some parsley for a little bit of razzle-dazzle. Once our biscuits are done out the oven, we're just going to go ahead and brush them on right away. These are better served hot, and I'm sure they won't last anyway. This is the final result of our Cheddar Bay biscuits. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Cooked and Plated, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking.